花 24 hours before action.
Okay, we're back out on the river. We took a hot minute where we just didn't go. And look how fucking far he is. Okay, my camera's spazzing out, but he's far as fuck. I'm right here, by the way, like, and he's all the way over there. Oh my god. Okay, my camera's spazzing out again. Oh my god. Bruh. Literally, what the heck? I know, look who's back.
Huh?
Look who's back.
I am back. I am alive. Surprising. I wanted to make it all the way to that, but I would have sunk.
Over there?
See the little weird thing over there?
The thingy over there?
Yeah, but then it started getting to my pants.
Oh hell
And I
no.
said, fuck no.
Oh hell no.
Okay.
Can you fill my water bottle up with ice and then water?
Anyways, okay, so we finished the cheese.
Hopefully,
Oh, that's actually very underwhelming.
it's not that bad. With cheese.
Let's get a cracker and test it.
Yeah.
I'm riding the wave.
Jeremy went to go get a knife. So it looks crusty. I can't really tell. That's fine. Jeremy went to go get something for an auntie. My allergies are going crazy. I'm out here tanning in the lake. So great. So it's like, did I have something? I feel like I woke up this morning and I had blood in between the 2 p.m. Not nice. And I walked out in front of everybody with that. Yeah.